Hello everyone, today's recipe is squid ghee roast, Malabar style. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Iram's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. If you like my recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bells icon to get notifications on new videos. To make squid ghee roast, here I have 1 kilogram of squids which I have cleaned and cut into rings. See, like so. Half an inch wide. Now let's set these aside and start on the masala. Firstly, we are going to dry roast some spices. 4 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Now we are going to lightly toast these till the spices release their oil and flavor. Once that's done, we are going to take it out on a plate and set it aside to cool. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan. Once that's hot, we are going to add 1 medium-sized onion, roughly chopped, into the pan, and we are gonna saute the onions till they have sweated down. Now to this we will add 2 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and saute for a couple of seconds. Once that's done, we're gonna take these out on a plate. Let's set these aside. Now to the same pan add little more oil, 1 teaspoon worth of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we are going to add the squids to the pan. And we are going to cook these squids with some spices. So now to the squids we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix. Now we are going to cook these squids on a high flame till the squids are half done and all that water released from the squids is dried up. Now while the squids are cooking, let's make the masala paste. To a mixer jar, add the roasted spices and the sauteed onions and coconut. Now grind it to a smooth paste. See, like so. Now our masala is ready. Let's check on the squids. See how nicely our squids are cooking. See, all that water has dried up. Now we will take these out on a plate. Oh, the aroma from the squids is mouth-watering. I can already imagine how they are gonna taste once the dish is ready. Let's set the squids aside. Now to the final part. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons full of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 7 to 10 curry leaves. I'm using dried curry leaves. If you get some fresh ones, then please use fresh. Now we will add the masala we grinded earlier to the ghee. Oh, smells amazing. The ghee, the spice is too good. Now we are going to fry this for a minute. Now we add salt per taste. Our masala has been cooking for 2 minutes. See how the ghee has risen on top and the masala has become nice and thick. At this point, we will add the squid. And we are going to cook all these together till nicely roasted and the squid is cooked just right. Oh, this is gonna be one delicious dish. The sweet tender squid cooked in the mild spiced masala, nicely roasted in ghee, which gives a nutty flavor. See how beautifully it's coming along. We are going to roast this for a couple more minutes. See how beautifully roasted our squid is. The masala is nicely coating every single ring of the squid. Now at this point we will add juice of half a lemon. Now this is gonna round all those flavors. We are gonna cook it for 2 more minutes. And the squid ghee roast is ready to serve. Well, there you have it. Squid ghee roast, Malabar style. Served hot with some white rice and sambar, a complete meal. Please do make it at home. Enjoy it with your family, friends and your loved ones. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again with another delicious recipe, this is Iram wishing you all a safe and fabulous week.